We are from Veltech Multitech, Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Saguntala Engineering College from the Department of Information Technology, belongs to the batch 20. I am Safrin and my batchmates are Revati and Gayatri. We are going to do our project mail application for visually impaired. Abstract. This project provides the facility for the blind people to read the mail content through the voice. In existing, they have used a software called Screen Reader. A screen reader is itself a standard Windows computer application, but its job is to run along the other side programs running on a computer and tell the blind person what is on the screen. They feel it very difficult while someone has to read it for them. This audio signal is transmitted to the personal ears through wireless technology. This is a very long process, so we propose that blind can use mailing application for communicating with other blind friends by giving voice as input to get their mails and read the content of the senders easily. Existing system. Traditionally, the blind people have had only limited means of accessing printed material. Braille is the most famous access method. If the people want to use this method, read and understand of Braille method, then use only this method. Recent years have seen the wider adoption of recordings. But like Braille, these suffer from a lack of immediacy. You want the news today, not to wait for a week. Higher cost of producing alternative format materials. Disadvantages. It won't simply read the whole screen because that would quickly become tedious. It gives unwanted details, high cost, does not monitor the whole screen, tells unwanted information. Proposed system. We propose that blind can use mailing system for communicating with other blind friends by giving voice as input to get their mails and read the content of the senders easily. Make efforts to understand blindness and blind individuals through interaction and research. Advantages. It gives appropriate details to the user, low cost, and it will read the whole screen. It helps the blind people to listen the details they require. Literature survey. Architecture diagram. The blind people can access the inbox by touching the end of the screen, and they can send mail by giving the voice as send, and the user list to show the recently used mail IDs. Compose mail also we can do by voice itself. TTS audio files is used to convert the text to speech and vice versa, that is speech to text. And the TTS markup and dialog markup are the library files. Multimedia integration is used to integrate the video and the audio files. Task Manager web interface is used to interface with the web server to get the information required. Requirement specification. Software requirement. Operating system. Android operating system. Tools. Eclipse version 4.2.2, Android 4.2.2, Android SDK tools. JDK 6.0, JRE 1.6, languages Java, backend SQL database. Hardware requirement. For developing requirement. Processor. Dual core or core 2 dual. RAM 512 MB, memory 1 GB, external memory SD card. For mobile use requirement, processor dual core and RAM 512 MB or more, memory 4 GB or more, 512. Modules. These are the 5 modules we are using in our project: voice to text conversion, text to voice conversion, voice recognition, inbox and send mail. Voice to text conversion. The speech to text conversion is the process of converting the spoken words into the written text. A speech to text system can also improve the system accessibility by providing the data entry options for blind. This process is also often called speech recognition, and the term voice recognition should be avoided as it is often associated with the process of identifying a person from their voice, that is speaker recognition. Text to voice conversion. The TTS engine needs to know which language to speak, as a word like Paris, for example, is pronounced differently in French and English, so the voice and dictionary or language specific resources that need to be loaded before the engine can start to speak. Voice recognition. Speech recognition for application voice SMS is done on Google server using the HMM algorithm. HMM is nothing but hidden Markov model. HMM algorithm is briefly described in this part. Process involves the conversion of acoustic speech into a set of words and is performed by a software component. Next is the module inbox. In inbox, the new mail receives at the end, so the user can scroll at the end and touch the screen so that the mail will be read out. Send mail. After giving voice input for messages and the mail ID of the recipient, by saying the word send, the mail will be sent.
Hey guys, this is Gayatri and this is our project demo. This is Mail Reader, our application. Here we have to enter our username and password. This is our inbox page loading. This is our inbox page, and the new message will be received at the last, so that the user can just scroll the screen and just touch the screen, so the mails will be read.
Just one more step to get started on Facebook. Mail content javax.mail.internet. MIME multipass at 423AE700.
So every message can be read just by a click.
Subject: Senthil Kumar wants to be friends on Facebook. Mail content javax.mail.internet. MIME multipass at 423FFD98.
So this is so the user can just click at the top of the screen. So the compose this is the compose layout, and here we have to say our ID. So if you are not saying anything properly, the see this. So Revati @gmail.com. So the ID will be coming like this. And for the compose, you can just say some message like hi, have a nice day. So the message will be coming like this. So the user can just click the send button and say send. The mail will be sent just like send. So in this mobile we have lots of applications, so everything is open just like this. So in their kind of mobile they'll be having only a mail application, so it will be directly sent. So here I'm just choosing Gmail. So this is the page where everything is given. We have defaultly said that blind people message, so it's a default message. We can also change this kind of message, and just by clicking this, message will be sent here. Just so the message is sent. The same way the other end people, whoever have this kind of application, can open the application and just do the same as I did like this. They can also open the mail like this and click at the end. They can open their inbox and just scroll the screen up to the end and just click.
Subject:
So
you have one friend with a birthday this week. Mail content javax.mail.internet. MIME multipass at 424OB700.
the message will be read like this. Thank you. This is a demo.